How to remove suggested reels on Instagram. So as you can see right here, I have in here a reel that's already been suggested for me. So if you want to actually remove that, you can click on the three dots just around there. And you can see in here some options like why you're seeing this post, not interested, report, and manage content preferences. So the very first method that you can do is to just click on this not interested right here, and as you can see, this post has been hidden. However, if you want to actually not see a lot more of those, you can head over and click on this manage content preference that's right here. And then in here, you just need to put in here the contents from accounts you don't follow. So for example, let's click on interested right here, and then you can see this. So make sure to click on those things that we have right here and remove that. And then from in there, the similar posts related to that will not show up on your Instagram again. You can also click on this not interested and you can add some more videos right here. That way they will be putted right there. So that's how you remove suggested reels on Instagram. Hope you helped.